Jury's deliberations are underway in the murder trial of a Chattanooga man. Good evening, I'm Calvin Sneed.
And I'm Melissa Sperado. Ronald Cosper is accused of killing and robbing Steve Mosley back in 2012. News Channel 9's Brianna Arredondo has been following this trial all week. She joins us live at the Hamilton County Courthouse with the latest. Brianna.
And that jury is still deliberating right now. They've been at it for about 3.5 hours. And today, attorneys made their closing arguments after about 3 days worth of testimony. And here's how they made their final push to the jury.
Who on earth would want to kill Steve Mosley?
3 days down, and today, attorneys closed their arguments in Ronald Cosper's trial. The victim, Steve Mosley, died at his house here on North Hawthrone Street. Witnesses told the court that Mosley sold marijuana, and that's why prosecutors believe Cosper planned to target Mosley for drugs and money. On July 2nd, 2012, evidence shows Mosley struggled with robbers and was shot 3 times.
If he was in a gang and somebody was searching him out, what you would do is you would go to his house, you would knock on his door, and then you just shoot him.
And the state called co-defendant Dustin Hayes to strengthen their case. Hayes pleaded guilty to being one of 3 people involved in the robbery, but the defense urged the jury to consider whether his testimony is credible.
In his story then, outcome details that we had never heard before, that he didn't tell to Detective Fuller, that he didn't tell Detective Barrymore.
Cosper's attorney also attacked Mosley's girlfriend, saying that she has faulty memory, the defense arguing that Cosper wasn't there.
She's saying that Ronald Cosper was the 3rd person at that scene because he's on trial, not because she independently recalls him.
As for physical evidence, experts found gunshot residue on Cosper's shorts.
It has gunshot primer residue on it. The truth is in the clothing.
Plus fingerprints and more.
Really what this is about is that the only suspect they were able to develop was Ronald Cosper, and they developed him as a suspect through his fingerprints.
And the family of the victim and the defendant are both here at the courthouse waiting for that verdict, and you can depend on us to give you the verdict as soon as the jury reaches a decision. For now, reporting live at the Hamilton County Courthouse, Brianna Arredondo, News Channel 9.